Welcome to Storm, the innovation hub here at Malmö University. Here at Storm, we work to promote innovation, utilization, cross-disciplinary collaboration, and an overall creative working environment here at the university. We do this by helping you with method support for processes in idea development and problem solving, but we also have this spaces here which you can book as a student for free, and you can use them for workshops, movie screenings, pitching sessions, or any extracurriculum activity that has something to do with networking or innovation or creativity. And if you want to book any of our spaces, you can go onto our website, storm.mau.se, and go onto the booking page where you can see a calendar where you can see how the rooms and the availability of the rooms. And we can also offer you our support in the concept development of any workshop. For, let's say, if you have a business idea or something and you feel like you need to have a workshop to get that idea going or get it to the next step, you can come to us and we can help you to make up a concept for how to work that workshop in the best way. We also arrange activities for students, such as Stormaton, which is an innovation competition during a whole day, where you as a student meet actors in society who needs help with a problem. And we give you support during the day, and you meet other students from different courses or programs to interact with and to network, and you also get methods for how to solve complex problems. This is just some of the things we do here at Storm, and if you wish to know more, just go onto our webpage, storm.mau.se, for more information.